In this video, we are going to make an expert advisor using the Heikin-Ashi indicator. Heikin-Ashi is a candlestick chart that is made to spot market trends better. We are going to find out how well this indicator shows market trends. Let's get started. Welcome to the Trading Programmer. First, we start a buy trade when the Heikin-Ashi posts a bull candle after a series of bear candles. We start a sell trade at the end of the first bear candle after bull candles. We close buy trades at the end of the first bear candle. We close sell trades at the end of the first bull candle. Let's write the codes and see how this strategy turns out. We try this EA and Euro US dollar 1 hour chart with $1,000. We don't want continuous trades, so we are going to change our closing condition to take profit and stop loss. Now let's optimize all the values, including take profit and stop loss. We optimize our values for 5 years, from 2014 to 2019. Then we use those optimized values to trade from 2019 to 2020. These are the optimized values for the 5-year period. Now let's see the results for a 1-year period. This is the result after trading 1 year with optimized values. Now you can see how reliable this candlestick chart is. Check out our RSI EA and MACD EA videos. If you want to download this expert advisor, we will link it down below. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon to be notified about similar videos. Please leave a like to support the channel. Comment what indicator you want us to automate next. Thanks for watching.